Thinking about importing a car into Ghana in 2025? Let me break down exactly what you need to know so you're not caught out by surprise costs. First things first, vehicle import duties here in Ghana are set by the Customs Act, and everything's managed through the Integrated Customs Management System, or ICUMS for short. Sounds fancy, but it's just the online system that processes all the paperwork. Now what affects how much you'll pay? There are four main things: the age of your car, its engine capacity in cc, the original manufacturer's price known as MSRP, with depreciation over time, and how it's classified, including the fuel type. Let's talk taxes. When your car lands in Ghana, you're looking at several charges. Import duty, which can run between 5 and 20%, VAT, set at 12.5%, NHIL and Get Fund levies, both at 2.5%, the AU levy at 0.2%, ECOWAS levy at 0.5%, EXIM at 0.75%, an exam fee for 1%, and a special import levy at 2%. Yes, it adds up quickly. Here's a big one. If your car is older than 10 years, get ready for age-based penalties. The older it is, the more you pay. There's a sliding scale, so a 12-year-old car racks up more than a 9-year-old one. Best to check the latest table before you buy. You'll also hear about CIF, that's cost, insurance, and freight. This total minus depreciation is what tax is calculated on. So the older or cheaper the car, the lower the CIF, and the less you'll pay overall. Still got questions? Always consult a licensed clearing agent for the exact numbers, and if you want a quick estimate, try out my duty calculator tool on the site linked below. Good luck, and happy importing.